Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and you all know that we have done chapter number 7 this whole week. Previous week we have started with our new chapter, that was chapter number 7, our clothes, and this week also we have continued the same topic. And now today we are going to do one activity of the same chapter, and tomorrow also we will be doing. So by tomorrow we will complete this 7th chapter and new chapter will be started from Monday. Okay, so I hope children that chapter number 7 till chapter number 7 every work which I gave you, every assignment date wise, number wise is completed in your EVS notebooks. Those who have not completed, children, please make sure you complete it, and make sure that you complete each and every assignments in your notebooks very carefully. Okay, and one more thing, if this information is for the new students who are new to this school, who are new to the school, okay, new admissions. So I want to tell you all that previous work, like from April, May and June was holiday, so we didn't give any assignments in June, but April and May assignments you can go to school and you can collect from there. Is it clear? So now let's get started with our today's video. So as you all know that today I am going to give you activity 1 and activity 2 as assignment number 7.7. okay, so first of all children, I want to ask you all that yesterday I gave you question answers to complete in your notebooks, as well as one activity which I gave you to complete in your book. I hope you all have completed that. Very good. Now today we are going to do activity 1 and activity 2. So as you all know that every day in the assignments you get 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. So our part 1 video for today will be on of activity 1, and part 2 video will be of activity 2. So I hope you all are ready with it. Very good. So children, please take out your EVS notebook and turn to a new page. As you all know that we start new topics every time from a new page. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you will write down today's date, that is 16/7/2021. Then in the first line you will give the heading of your chapter with its number, that is chapter 7, our clothes. Second line you will write the assignment number which we are going to do today, that is 7.7. and then in the third line you will write activity 1, as we are doing activity 1. Okay, then what is the name of the activity you will write in the next line by making a star. Guess who am I? Now this activity is kind of riddles. Okay, I will be explaining you the sentence, what is the question asking, okay, and what is the correct riddle. I will explain it to you, what is written here, and then I will explain its answer also. So please make sure that you listen to each and every word of this video very, very carefully. So are you all ready for the exciting activity? Very good. So the first first question of this activity is, I am round in shape. Okay, you use me when it rains. Who am I? मेरा शेप कैसा है? राउंड. और आप मुझे कब यूज़ करते हो? जब बाहर बारिश होती है तो आप मुझे यूज़ करते हो. So who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, very good. This is an umbrella. So what is the answer? Umbrella. You will write here. Okay. UMBRELLA. Umbrella. Now children, make sure that when you finish the question, writing the question, put a question mark and then give the answer to this riddle from the next line. Okay, whenever you are writing the answer of any question or any riddle or anything, just write it from a new line. Is that clear? And then underline it. Clear? Now coming to the second riddle, which says, you wear me on your head. Okay, I protect your head from heat and cold. आप मुझे सिर पे पहनते हो. ओके, और मैं आपकी प्रोटेक्शन किससे करता हूँ, हीट से और कोल्ड से, ओके, गर्मी और सर्दी से मैं आपके सिर को बचाता हूँ ड्यूरिंग समर एंड विंटर। गर्मी समर्स में होती है तो मैं आपको समर्स में गर्मियों से बचाता हूँ आपके सिर को, और विंटर में सर्दी होती है तो मैं आपके सिर को सर्दी से बचाता हूँ। हु एम आई, मैं कौन हूँ। Okay, so from this riddle you can understand that we are talking about which kind of cloth? Correct, we are talking about cap, C-A-P, cap. Okay, you all know that during summers we wear cotton caps to protect our heads from heat, sun rays, okay, and during winters we use woolen caps to protect our head from cold waves. Okay, so here we will write CAPS, caps, and we will underline it. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood. Now moving towards the third riddle. You wear my clothes during winter season and you get me from sheep. Who am I? Very easy. आप मेरे से बने हुए क्लोथ्स विंटर सीजन में पहनते हो और मुझे कहाँ से जो विंटर सीजन के क्लोथ्स बनते हैं वो कहाँ से मिलते हैं, शीप से। ओके, वो किस चीज़ से मिलते हैं, जो वो चीज़ आपको शीप से मिलती है। सो हु एम आई, वो क्या चीज़ है, दैट इज wool, because we wear woolen clothes during winters and woolen clothes are made up of wool and we get wool from sheep. So your correct answer is WOOL, wool, and we will underline it. Is that clear? I hope you all are getting this exercise, this activity very clearly. Now coming to the fourth part. When you go to school you wear me. जब आप स्कूल जाते हो तो आप मुझे पहनते हो। आई गिव आइडेंटिटी ऑफ स्पेशल पीपल ऑल्सो। हु एम आई, और कुछ स्पेशल पीपल जब मुझे पहनते हैं तो मैं उनकी एक आइडेंटिटी बताता हूँ। ओके, सो व्हाट इज इट, which type of clothes, which category of clothes we are talking about in this riddle? Very good, children, we are talking about uniforms. So here we will write UNI, uni, FORMS, uniforms, and we will underline it. Okay, so when you go to school you wear me. I give identity of special people also. Who am I? Uniform. Okay, so sorry children, remove S from here, we will just write uniform. Is that clear? So I hope all these four riddles are clear to you all. Once again I am repeating, listen to it very carefully children. Okay, those who have not understood at once, then you can understand it again. So the first riddle was, I am round in shape, you use me when it rains. Who am I? मेरा shape round है और जब बाहर बारिश होती है तो आप मुझे यूज करते हो। Who am I? It is an umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Okay, then second is, you wear me on your head. I protect your head from heat and cold during summer and winter season. Who am I? आप मुझे अपने सिर पे पहनते हो और मैं आपको प्रोटेक्ट करता हूँ हीट से, गर्मी से, और हीट दैट इज गर्मी और कोल्ड से दैट इज सर्दी, विच फॉल्स ड्यूरिंग समर एंड विंटर सीजन। सो मैं कौन हूँ? हु एम आई? Yes, it is caps, CAPS, caps. Then coming to the third riddle, you wear my clothes during winter season and you get me from sheep. Who am I? Sheep से हमें ऐसा क्या मिलता है जिसके बने हुए clothes हम winter में पहनते हैं? तो what is that thing which we get from sheep? That is wool, WOOL, wool. Then last riddle, when you go to school you wear me. I give identity of special people also. Who am I? When you go to school children, आप जब भी स्कूल जाते हैं आप अपना आप इस चीज़ को पहन के जाते हैं, और जो स्पेशल पीपल होते हैं लाइक डॉक्टर्स एंड पोस्टमैन, सोल्जर्स, नर्स, ओके, लॉयर्स, सो ये लोग स्पेशल पीपल होते हैं। तो जब ये लोग पहनते हैं अपनी प्रॉपर ड्रेस को, देन इट गिव्स एन आइडेंटिटी। ठीक है, सो हु एम आई? यूनिफॉर्म. What is that dress known as? Uniform. UNIFORM uniform. So children, that is all in this video, part 1 video, in which I have explained you activity 1. Now please switch on to my part 2 video for your activity number 2. Bye bye.